Hi everyone, it's Milena again. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you all for checking my videos out. And today in this video I would like to talk about one of my hobbies. Well, as you know, I already sort of mentioned some of them in one of my previous videos, actually few of my previous videos, let's be honest. And yeah, I have quite a few hobbies, and honestly I would like to know what kind of hobbies you have and what you like to do in your free time. I think you can definitely learn lots of things knowing what person likes to do in their free time, what kind of hobbies they have, and yeah, what they are curious about. So I would like to know more about people who watch my YouTube videos. Yeah, I hope there is no crime in it, and I think that it's just super curious, and yeah, I like to learn new things too. So anyways, my hobbies that I would like to tell you about today is checkers, or playing checkers, let's say drafts maybe you call it. So I really enjoy doing it, and usually my opponent is my grandpa. He plays very well and he is very good in chess too. I can play chess, but I'm not that good, and also I definitely think I require more practice, since if I don't play for quite long I keep forgetting certain things that, you know, maybe I'm not used to play it as much as my grandpa, for example. So yeah, it's just in that way. In checkers I'm quite good actually. I think that I'm not bad, but it depends. Sometimes it's like depends on mood and so on. It's difficult to explain. Also, you really need to actually think, and I think this game definitely stimulates your brain in a good way. It makes you think and think forward to a lot, meaning like you need to think about your future steps in the game, and also you need to be able to predict what your opponent's gonna do too. I think there is a secret in it too, like you really need to think what they can do, what are they up to and so on, what is their strategy. With chess, by the way, I think it is easier sometimes to win if you know certain strategies, certain ways, tactics, let's put it this way. If your opponent is not like even if they know how to play chess, for example, I'm talking about chess right now by the way, just so you understand. I think that it's easy to like win if your opponent knows how to play a chess, but they don't really research, they don't learn tactics and strategies. I mean, there are certain ways doing certain things that you can win easily, I think. But maybe I'm like not completely right, because obviously there are different situations and so on, so stuff happens, I suppose. Anyways, I usually I used to play with my grandpa, as I said, checkers a lot, and using his board, yeah. But 2 years ago my boyfriend gave me this as a present. It is checkers board. It is a really nice one, and I really like how it's I don't know, it's bright. It seems like bright to me, and also it is very like comfy to play on and easy to carry. Also, it came of course with this bag, and inside there are actually checkers pieces. Yeah, maybe I can show you. They look like this. Quite nice, and I like this board a lot. Also, it came with like this thing. There is information about the game, which, yeah, it depends if you need, if you know or not about the game. So I really like to play it, but if I'm honest, I haven't been playing checkers or chess for ages now. I definitely need to make more time for it and to try to gather, you know. I mean, with my grandpa, meaning like he wasn't around as much lately and we haven't been playing, but I think we definitely should, you know, recreate, you know, maybe this tradition. And I think it is an amazing hobby which actually has lots of benefits. I actually believe in that, and I think it makes you think sometimes more clear. Yeah, I know it's bizarre to say, but games like that, they usually, you know, makes you think sometimes in different way, and you can see even like usual situations in your life from different angles. I think it gives you perspective on, well, different scenes, if it makes sense. I'm not certain right now if I'm saying everything correctly, since it's in English. Sometimes maybe you don't exactly get what I mean, but I hope you can understand that. I think that it actually has lots of benefits in it, those games, that type of games. Checkers and chess. By the way, sometimes I would play it with my brother, but he's much more better in chess. I think chess is much more difficult game, but I still think that in chess there are more like those tactics and strategies that you can sort of learn. But yeah, you definitely need to remember lots of things, while with checkers it's much more easier. You don't really need to remember that much. And yeah, meaning like even with pieces it's much more easier to remember everything. For me, I definitely need to practice more playing chess. I think it is a very nice game, which, you know, definitely is very good for most people. I would say for all people actually, why most, you know. Let me know what you think. Maybe you have some sort of questions, and to be fair, I really would like you to share, you know, some information about your hobbies. I'm really curious what people who watch my YouTube videos like, what you guys enjoy doing in your free time and so on. Yeah, well, I hope my grandpa is gonna be around more in future, and I'll be able to play checkers. I think he's a great opponent because he's actually very good in it. So yeah, I think my like skills are getting better too, if you know what I mean. Anyways, well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you soon.